truly believe stem cell therapy is the future of medicine in so many ways. I was having some challenges with my lower back and my left ankle, and it ultimately turned out I ended up getting injections in almost every joint on my body, and because I was through the MRIs found a lot of wear and tear, and I'm already feeling an improvement in my lower back even just since yesterday. And getting to hear firsthand the process of how the stem cells are sourced, to the level of care that goes into selecting, the right kind of mothers, and to the laboratory being in-house, to all the different specialties and modalities that are offered here, and expertise that all in one building, really made me raise my level of comfort. And also being a US-based company, really, gave me a lot of confidence in coming here. I felt like this was world class. From day one, working with Shelly Holland, to then getting here, having the driver pick me up from the airport, taking me to the hotel, everything was just, they check in on you constantly, and you get here and you're doing hyperbaric chambers, you're doing cryotherapy, they're really maximizing everything that can be possibly done to make the stem cell treatment itself that much more effective. And I've gotten stem cells before in the US, and it was a very different experience. So, you go into the doctor's office, they inject you, and you leave. And that was it. And there was very little pre or post care. And I mean, here I've met with a dermatologist, a physical therapist, I've met with a neurosurgeon, and then a sports medicine surgeon, and I mean, it's just, and everything's in house, and it's just really impressive. And everything from this is the diet you should be eating to, and I'm going to have months and almost a year of actual follow-up care included in this, which is really neat. And even to the epigenetic test, for example, I mean, to learn like some other health challenges I was struggling with that I learned the cause of and how to figure that out, and it was really neat. I was not expecting to have that be a part of this process. Level of thoroughness and the approach to this, there's not one stone unturned, and I felt incredibly cared for, and the staff here is incredibly knowledgeable. All the providers are incredibly knowledgeable, and they know what they're doing.